Look at beautiful tomatoes we're having from the garden.
And look, oh yeah, baby. Look how skinny. See, we gotta grow this. Hello, everybody. Tonight we make something so nice and good. We make scallops. I got over here, I was washed really good and to make sure that you dry. It gotta be, got the scallops, it got a lot of water. And I was dry with a paper towel, everything. And now what I want to do, I want to put a little salt. This is a sea salt I use.
Hello everybody, welcome back.
Hello everybody. Tonight we make scallops. And we put a little black pepper.
Scallops and?
Scallop, and on the side we make lemon risotto.
Oh, we have somebody from Kingsburg, not too far from us.
Oh yeah? Oh.
Okay, welcome to our show.
Okay, look how beautiful this. I also chop some of the parsley. This is from my garden. It's like this, the parsley, so big. And before we start, we do salute Chin. Thank you so much. They come back, everybody. Today, I'm on the 6th story, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the start. Chin, salute. Okay, I bring my wine over here. Now, I want to show everybody, look how nice butter I got over here. Look at the color. I was making this butter. It's so good. When you eat this, it's really, really good. Okay, now, for start, we put the gas on over here.
Billy says hello, Chin Chin.
Thank you, Bill. Okay, and we put a little oil. Now, this is the risotto. And we give a little turn over here. Still, you gotta cook. And we got the chicken stock right over here. And we use a little bit at a time the chicken stock. Okay, now this is for the scallops.
Thank you again for your support and for the stars.
Thank you. Now we put a little butter.
Billy says he's hungry now.
Okay, Billy, you can taste the scallops tonight. Okay, we put on low a little bit. Cause I don't want the butter to melt too fast.
It's good to know. Thank you for letting us know. Oh, Debbie, she said they just bought fresh figs today.
Oh.
Billy said, how many cups of risotto?
1 cup. 1 cup.
1 cup, but when you cook it's...
When I cook, it's fuck off. Okay, now we keep the gas over here a medium high. Okay, and now we bring the scallops right over here.
Lisa, she made ciabatta with homemade bread. Wow, nice. You should post picture, Lisa.
Oh boy, I want to see the oil. Okay.
Debbie, she's asking, she gotta save the fig pits. They don't have... Show the figs. She said, you gotta save the pit. They don't have pit. Show her open. We got one over there.
The seeds? Okay, now we keep like, what do we want? The feet?
Yeah, open up and show her.
See, this is a nice feed.
This you eat all, Debbie.
I showed the way you gotta eat this. You take the little stem over here and
If you want to make plant, you need to buy you need to have like sticks. This is not come out figs if you plant that. Ah, Lou, and she made the lemon pasta. Nice. Ah, okay, maybe next time you gotta do the picture before you start eating.
No, the fig. She's talking about
No.
the one inside?
No, the ciabatta.
Oh, the ciabatta. Okay. Okay, now let's make a turn over here. Let me see.
You need to buy a small tray, or maybe if somebody give you like stick, you can put in the water and wait until it gets some roots.
Yeah, I got a little wine over here. Wine with it. Okay, no. Okay, stay over here. I want to show the fig I did with the sticker. Maybe next time.
After, no. You gotta pay attention. I know the pigs with ricotta and honey is delicious. We have video, and then you put little pistachio. Actually, we're supposed to do, this is for calendar. But our figs, it's not ready yet. Maybe next month, probably.
Okay, so about a minute and a half. Yeah. Okay. We give it a nice turn now.
Billy's asking how big you gotta be the steak from the pig if you wanna do. Maybe when he done with the scallops, you can get one.
I'll show.
But finish the scallops first.
Yeah, I gotta show.
Debbie, she said she bought it first time.
What, the pig?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, am I good? All right.
Yeah, beautiful. I know they are so good. Yeah, they're really good.
Salute, chin chin, and thank you so much for the star. Chin chin. Salute.
Yeah, we can do that, Debbie. Send me your address
For what?
for the stick of fig. Thank you again for your support and for the stars.
Yeah, thank you so much for the star. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now we put on the dish. We turn off the gas.
Yeah, they are really good. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, now you want to go get quickly and have. He went pick up one stick. What he did? We have to still cook other pieces. Look how beautiful. Chin chin, everyone.
Okay.
Oh, look
Now,
at, you
this
got-
is to the steak. I was pouring the water and you got the roots. Now, you see? And this you leave it stay, but change the water once in a while, change the water. Okay, it gotta be nice in the water. Now, you see over here when I cut it? You cut it and you leave this one over here, okay, start to bloom. Okay, it start to be the roots. Look.
But not yet, huh? Because you just did not too long ago.
Oh, you see over here, got the roots, look.
Yeah, one year, yeah.
Look, you see the roots?
Yeah, wow, yeah.
Okay. And this one, you got the leaves.
I know, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it was the same like this. Okay, now let's finish the rice, the risotto. Okay, the risotto is a cook. And now,
Thank you, Michelle.
we got the butter.
Thank you, everybody, so much.
And look how beautiful butter I got over here.
Michelle, she sent you ears.
Okay, we melted the rice.
You want to tell what you put in the risotto?
Okay, the risotto, we got a shallot. And we got lemon, squeezed lemon, and zest lemon.
No, you leave outside. You leave outside the sticks, huh?
Yeah, but make sure there not be too much sun. Okay, leave it on the shade.
Perfect.
Okay? You want to put a little black pepper?
No,
No.
no, I think it's good.
It look good like this.
Smells really refreshing, like summer.
Okay, now I gotta do.
Well, actually, the trail needs a lot of sun after, huh? They do better when, on the sun.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we turn the gas off, everything. I like to put a little bit more cheese. And look at that. Huh?
Yep, perfect. It come out really good. It smells like lemon. And this is our tomatoes and pepper.
All right. That's a test. rice is cooked. And look at the scallop.
Yeah, you can do shrimp, yes.
Okay, look. Oh, really good. Thank you very much. Look at this video, it come out really good. I hope somebody make and you let me know. Thank you, and thank you to look every Monday, and tomorrow night we cook it again. And thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. Chin chin and salute, and we see next time. Chin chin.
Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.